Ladies and gentlemen, we are less than $600 away from breaking even on Cloud 9. Kinda want to do the Star Destroyer. Should I do the Star Destroyer? I should do the Star Destroyer. Yeah. This is gonna be like the sand crawler, where I have to spit off way more than I can chew, but let's do it. Let's just go ahead and leave that as it is. Okay, here we go. Look at this piece. That's cool. Pretty sure I know where most of this is. Maybe not the droid, but that's a good sign. The base is done. Let's see how it... Yeah, this thing's gonna be huge too. Dang, all right. Alright, stuff is getting serious now. Oh boy. Okay, everything is going super well. I have pulled some parts out of my spare drawers, but that was more convenience than the piece being missing. Like, his chair was just faster to pull one than to dig for it, but I ended up finding it anyway. Wow, this is huge. Okay, we are making a huge step here. Oh boy. Okay, and then what happens? This all gets connected in the back. Oh my goodness. On page 45 of book 1. And book 1 has 75 pages, looks like. Oh boy. I need a break. Our car is in the shop. I got a call that it's ready to go pick it up, so maybe I'm seeing if I can see the droid, sorry. Maybe we go pick that up real quick, do a thrift store stop, just to kind of cleanse the palate and get back to doing this. What's crazy is it doesn't look like there's that much left, so I have a feeling the second book is mostly just going to be plating off the surface, but we'll find out. Nice to see some details coming in. And that's book 1. Let's start book 2. My goodness, this thing is like a real Star Destroyer. Just keeps going and going. We've never had to do a part 2, but it could happen. Tarkin is missing, but I know where he is. The original owner kept some stuff, and he sent me a picture of it, asking if he could swap for the Emperor. And I was like, yeah, of course. So I'm just not down by him very much, so I gotta figure out, like, how do we swap this stuff? Anyways, it's starting to speed up now. This is all that's left, so I don't think we're gonna have to do a 2-parter. Fingers crossed. From a business perspective, was that the best use of my time? Absolutely not. That took me quite literally all day. Granted, I had to do some like moving stuff. I had to go get the car, and other like household things. I wasn't literally working on it all day, but it is the only thing I did that day. So business perspective, no. Is 12-year-old me very happy to have put something like that together? Absolutely. That was a lot of fun. And I didn't get a lot of big sets when I was a kid, so it's nice to be putting some big ones together from my childhood era. This is super cool. I did have to order some parts, like those long rifle pieces that they used to use. They're often used as security cameras also. I needed 2 of those, and then I just went ahead and ordered a new Tarkin. So this won't be for sale yet, but it will be for sale once I get that stuff in. So cool jazz.